Hello guys, welcome to It's Food BI. Today we are going to import the data from Salesforce to Power BI. In Power BI, we have a number of data source connectors are available. To import the data from Salesforce, we need the Salesforce username and password. Okay, so here we are going with get data. Here go on the more. After that, just search for Salesforce. To import the tables, we are going with Salesforce objects. Okay. After that, in Salesforce, there are two environments. One is production and another one is sandbox. But most of times, we are using production environment. Though here, I'm going with the production environment. After that, I'm clicking on OK. Then here, I need to sign into the my Salesforce account. Okay. So after that sign in option, I have one Salesforce account, and this is my username for that account. I have pasted this username here and I need to write my password. After login, it asks me for giving the access. It has not asked me, but yeah, most of times if you are new user, then it will ask you to get the access and you need to click on the allow button. Okay, after that connect, I will get the list of tables which are available on that environment. Okay, so here you can see a number of tables are available here. So I'm going with account. My tables are empty here, but I'm choosing for these four tables. Okay, and after that load, I'm able to get the data from Salesforce to Power BI. Yeah, and now you can see here the name of the tables and list of the tables here. Okay, just we need to do these things to import the data from Salesforce to Power BI. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.